Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you why can't apps access my Mac camera. So apps like Zoom, FaceTime, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams or other apps suddenly can't access your Mac's camera. Don't assume the camera is broken. One of the possible reason is camera access has been blocked through screen time. When the allow camera toggle is turned off, macOS block every app from using your camera even if you have already allowed camera permission under privacy and security. Because of this, apps show a black screen, display a camera error, or simply say the camera is not available. So to fix this issue, first click on the Apple logo and then choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Screen Time and then click on Content and Privacy. Now make sure to enable the toggle right to Content and Privacy and then go to App and Features Restriction. Now here as you can see, Allow Camera is disabled. That's why camera is not working. So simply enable this toggle and finally click on done to save the changes and check if the app access your Mac camera or not. If they're still not accessing, make sure to restart your Mac once and the problem will fix for sure. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.